She's very intense. She's looking sideways at you. The background is kind of grungy and different. The blue and the yellow are very clashy colors. They look great against each other. So just stay tuned and I will show you how I created this. If I can do it, you can do it. Stay tuned. Colors later is like a flesh tone, a light pink. There is a brown, a medium orange, a flamenco red, a bright yellow, cobalt blue, a sap green, a white, black, and a burnt sienna. All make nice flesh tones. And some of the brushes I'm going to use is this big round. It's like a medium round. I don't know, numbers are all worn off. Here is a flat, medium flat. Use this for blending. It's a very good blending brush, one of my favorites. It's just like a half-inch flat. And a couple of little detailed brushes. And then my favorite brush, I don't know why it's my favorite brush, but it seems to do a lot of tricks, is this Benici number 6. I like it. Okay, so we're going to mix kind of an orangish brown flesh tone. So let's get some of the flesh color. Put a little orange in it. Make it warmer. And then a little brown. And start with the forehead. I love adding mystery to my paintings, but how do I do this? In my paintings, I use the unspoken language, body language. It's really fascinating how such minor movements can send a message of flirtation, mystery, tension, or even annoyance. It can be a subtle hand gesture, a body pose, or how I like to speak in a painting is through the eyes, the windows of the soul, or sometimes a mysterious smile. Add mystery. Mystery is emotionally engaging. You know something's going on with the person you're painting, but what is it? We as humans are compelled to sort things out. It thrills us to no end to try and make sense of what's in front of us. It excites us and stimulates us. So go ahead, add mystery to those eyes, or a little smirk to the smile. It can go a long way in your painting. step back and take a look. I'm happy with it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and want to watch some more, because I'm going to keep on making them. So, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe, because I can send you notifications when new ones come in, so you don't miss a thing. Keep on practicing, and have a nice day. Till next time. Bye-bye.